Welcome to aminacademy.com. In heat and mass transfer, let us discuss about general heat conduction equation in cylindrical coordinates. Look at this. Consider an elemental volume having coordinate r, phi, z for three-dimensional heat conduction analysis. We are considering this elemental volume with coordinates r, phi, z. Now, consider the elemental volume having coordinates r, phi, z is the volume is r d phi dr dz. Means this is a volume. Means this here this arc length r d phi into this is dz, this is dr. Multiply all the things, it gives elemental volume. Now let Qg is heat generation, uniform heat generation per unit volume per unit time. Here per unit time is dot tau. We have to get it. Now K equal thermal conductivity of the material, rho equal to density, C equal to specific heat. All we let. First is net heat accumulated in the element due to conduction of heat from the all coordinate directions considered. Heat flow in radial direction. Radial direction is x phi plane. Heat influx, that is q dash r equal minus k r d phi dz dot t by dou r into d tau. Let it be 1. Then heat efflux, that is going out, is q dash r plus dr. This heat efflux, qr heat influx, this heat efflux. Now that is heat efflux is q dash r plus dr equal qr dash plus dou by dou r into qr by into dr. Now that means by using Taylor's expansion, we expand and simplified, avoiding higher degree of coefficients. Now heat accumulation is dq r dash equal qr dash minus q dash of r plus dr. Now by subtracting these two things, we get minus dou by dou r into q dash r into dr, which is equal minus dou by dou r into minus k d r dr d into r d psi dz into dou t by dou r into dou tau into dr. We are putting the values of by using Fourier's law. This value is we put. Next, simplified, minus minus become plus. Then after that k into dr d psi dz into dou by dou r into r dou t by dou r into dou tau. We are arranging the terms. Then we are taking out the common factor like k into dr d psi dz into r, that is dou into this phase. We are differentiating this r into dou t by dou r partially UV method. So we get r dou square t by dou r square plus dou t by dou r UV method into dz, which is further equal k into r dr d psi d phi dz into we are r taken out. That means we get dou square t by dou r square over 1 by r, because here there is no r term, so we are dividing by r. 1 over r dou t by dou r into dou tau. Now heat flow in tangential direction. Next one, RZ plane. Look at this RZ plane. This is R, this is R, and this is Z plane. This RZ plane, this one here. heat flow in tangential direction RZ plane is heat influx is Q dash of phi equal minus K dr dz into dou T over R dou phi into dou tau. Heat efflux letting out, that is Q dash of phi plus d phi equal, by Taylor's expansion we'll do that, phi Q dash phi plus dou by R dou phi into Q dash phi R d phi. Heat accumulation, that is subtraction of 4 and 5, we will get d Q dash of phi equal Q dash of phi minus Q dash of phi plus d phi. Then after expanding and simplification, we will get minus dou by R dou phi into Q of phi into R d phi, which is further equal minus dou by R d phi. We are substituting Fourier's law here, minus K into dr dz into dou T by R dou phi into dou tau R into d phi. Now, which is further equal K into dr d phi dz dou by dou phi into 1 over R dou T by dou phi into dou tau. That R go inside. We are taking R. Then we are taking R common out, which gives K into R dr d phi dz. Here 1 over R squared. Already 1 over R is there. We are taking out R in numerator. So it becomes 1 over R squared dou square T over dou phi square into dou tau. Next part, heat flow in axial direction, that is R phi plane. Heat influx equal Q dash Z equal minus K R d phi dr dou T by dou Z into dou tau. Heat efflux going out in that plane, R phi plane, is Q dash of Z plus dz equal Q dash Z plus dou by dou Z Q dash Z dz. Now then that means this also expansion, Taylor's expansion. Now heat accumulation. Heat accumulation means we have to subtract these two equations, that is 7 and 8. We'll get d Q dash Z equal Q dash Z minus Q dash of Z plus dz. Subtracting and simplifying, we'll get, substituting by using Fourier's law here, that is by Taylor's expansion, and substituting Fourier's law, we get minus dou by dou Z of minus K R d phi dr into dou T by dou Z into dou tau into dz. Then we are collectively taking out K minus minus plus K into dr R we are taking out R, and dq d phi dz is here dou square T over dou Z square over dou tau. Then net heat accumulation means adding these three equations, 3, 6, 9. Here, look at here, this first one, 3, and this and 9. This all together we are combining. Net heat accumulation is 3 plus 6 plus 9. So which is equal K dr R d phi dz into take common and common factors, and dou square T by dou R square plus 1 over R dou T by dou R plus 1 over R square dou square T by dou Q square, not phi square it is. Dou Q square into plus dou square T by dou Z square into dou tau. Now this is the net heat accumulation. Next, second part, total heat generated within the element, that is Q dash G is equal Q of G, that is elemental volume, into that volume dr or d phi dz dot tau. Now third one, energy stored in the element due to heat, so which is rho is density of that material, and dr volume, dr or d phi dz, this is the volume. So density into volume into C. C is a specific heat with dot T by dot R dot tau. Now we'll consider energy balance equation. That means first two things added and which is equal to third one. So we'll take common factor and equating the things. That is K dr or d phi dz, that is common factor, into dou square T by dou R square plus 1 over R dou T by dou R plus 1 over R square dou square T over dou phi square plus dou square T over dou Z square into dot tau, plus the second one is Q of G is dr or d phi dz into dot tau, which is equal to this energy stored in the element equal rho into dr or d phi dz into C dot T by dot tau into dot tau. Now dividing both sides by the volume things, that is dr or d phi dz dot tau, with dot tau also we are dividing, we get K into dou square T by dou R square plus 1 over R dou T by dou R plus 1 over R square dou square T by dou Q square plus dou square T by dou Z square plus Q of G, that is equal further rho into C dot T by dot tau. Further simplify, here we are dividing by K throughout, which gives dou square T by dou R square plus 1 over R dou T by dou R plus 1 over R square dou square T by dou Q square plus dou square T by dou Z square Q G over K equal P into C dou T by dou Q, which is the further 1 over Pc is, we are using alpha, that is heat diffusion coefficients. So we are introducing alpha as 1 over Pc, that is 1 over alpha into dou T by dou Z. This is the final heat conduction equation in cylindrical coordinates, this one. So this is such a big derivation, that is why I wrote first and I explained. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.